Got a brother printer that refuses to print black? Don't worry, this is a common problem. Here's what you can do right now. First, check if your black ink cartridge is empty or dried out. Even if it looks full, it might be clogged. Try taking out the cartridge and gently shaking it. Reinstall it, making sure it clicks into place. Next, run a cleaning cycle on your printer. You can find this option in your printer's menu or software on your computer. This helps clear out any dried ink blocking the tiny nozzles. Still no luck? Try replacing the black cartridge with a new one. Sometimes generic cartridges don't work as well. Use Brother brand if you can. Also check your printer settings. Make sure you're not set to grayscale or color only. Pick black and white or monochrome to test black ink. Finally, look for any error messages on your printer's screen. If you see one, follow the instructions or check Brother's support site. That's it. Most black ink issues are simple to solve. Start with these steps, and your Brother printer should be back to printing in no time.